Guys, you want to be the star of your next tailgating party or your backyard party, you're watching some football, well, have no fear, the old walking tacos here, and Hussey's going to show you how to make his version of this walking taco. It's going to be some good groceries. Y'all stay tuned. That's some good groceries. Boy, all that walking, now I'm ready to get our walking taco going. We're gonna get our ground beef going. I got just a little over 1 pound of ground beef. And this is really about all the work. There's a little bit of prep involved. Most of it's just browning your meat off. It makes it so simple, y'all, and it really makes it a great tailgating. You don't have to take a whole lot of things, pack with you, go to the stadium, or just even if you're doing something at home. So easy. So we got our 1 pound of ground chuck onto the griddle top, and we want to break everything up so that we get some nice color on all sides of your meat. We got to add some flavor to this, y'all. We're going to use a little bit of this Blackstone street taco seasoning. Man, that smell, as soon as it hits the griddle, hits that meat, boy, it's good stuff. Just try to chop your beef up into this nice manageable pieces and just let it cook. There we go, it's about done right there. I'm gonna try to bring that up here so it's some of that fat kind of drained down to the rear grease management. All right, once your meat is done, I'm just gonna transfer that to a bowl. Just to level up a little bit, I'm gonna take some more of this street taco. Just gonna mix it up. Now comes the fun part, y'all. I guess this is the taco portion. And what you use is, you can use anything. You can use Fritos, you can use Doritos, whatever, sky's the limit. You can use Funyuns if you want, but I like Doritos. These might be my favorite. What's your favorite? You like the red bag or the blue bag Doritos? Y'all let me know down below. So basically this is your vessel. This is what you eat your walking taco in. Again, that's why it's so easy. So basically what you do is you bring your bag and you take the top off of it just like that. And then there you're left with your Doritos. And to help things along so you can eat them a little bit, just take them and crunch them a little bit. You don't want Dorito dust, y'all. Just a little bit. Don't get too crazy on them. But you want to make sure you can get it onto your fork. So just like that right there. You see there? Beautiful little pieces. All right, we got our meat done. We got our Doritos ready. Let's talk about our toppings. Let's come over here, see what we got. Here's what's pretty cool about this. This is actually the Blackstone pizza kit. It's a dough box, and it has this awesome little handy dandy tray that I love to use. It's got all the things for a little taco bar. How about that, y'all? Pretty dang cool. So we got some holy guacamole, we got some cheddar jack cheese, we got some tomatoes, we got some lettuce, some pickled jalapenos, and some sour cream. Also, we got a little bit of this Herdez verde sauce. Man, I love that stuff. It's good stuff. Enough chatting, Hussey. We need to build these walking tacos. I'm going with the blue. And if you notice, I got these big bags. The little bags, they're good and all, but Hussey needs 2 or 3 of these. So why not just go big bag, and it's better for everybody, okay? So let's take a little bit of this meat right here. Put it right there on top of your Doritos. But now we're gonna come in, we're gonna put some cheese on that. A little bit of cheese, a little tomato, a little lettuce, a little bit of pickled jalapeno. Woo, boy. Boy, I love these things. Come on now. A little bit of this guacamole. Boom. That's a big old walking taco right there. All right, last but not least, a little bit of sour cream. Ooh, yeah. I like sour cream. A little bit of this verde sauce. It's good stuff. There you have it, y'all. The old walking taco. So easy, so good. Let's give us a try. Let's get everything. I want to get everything. Oh man, look at that. Woohoo! Look at that right there. Man, that's good. First things first, Doritos is my most favorite chip in the world, number 1. Number 2, one of my most favorite foods in the world is a taco. I just married them together and got a walking taco. The meat is so good, nice and flavorful from that taco seasoning. And then you just marry it with everything else. The lettuce, nice crunch. Got a pickled jalapeno right there. Y'all, this is so good. I guarantee you make this next little football gathering, you know, party, tailgate, people gonna think you some kind of dang griddle pimp, I tell you. Y'all head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome tailgating party ideas over there. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.